So here I've got the Infiland iPad case for the iPad A16 right here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out with my iPad here. Here I've got the silver color here. There's several other colors you can pick from as well. As you can see, it has some glitter to it as well, which is really nice. So it makes it a little bit sparkly there. So here on the back, you can see there's a cutout for the logo for the camera. It has a kickstand right here, so you can set the iPad vertically or horizontally like that. Super nice, so you can use it on the stand. It has a spot here for your pencil, and then you can pop it out like that. Really nice and easy. Cutouts for the buttons, the microphones, and everything. So just as you expect, has real nice protection there on the corners and the edges as well. And then it does come with really nice instructions as well to install it and to take it off. It comes with a prying tool if you need to take it off as well. So yeah, overall, super nice case. You definitely want to protect your iPad from falls. This will do that for you, and it looks great as well. So if you are in need of an iPad case for your A16, definitely check this one out and give it a try.